Do you feel loose skin, knee pain at the end of the day, or fear varicose veins and circulation problems after the age of 50? In today's video from Healthy You, I'm going to teach you a homemade juice recipe rich in collagen that strengthens bones, joints, and improves vascular health, bringing you more energy and well-being. Like this video now and subscribe to Healthy You to receive weekly tips that will transform your health. Stay until the end to learn this simple and powerful recipe that will change your routine. After age 50, our body produces less collagen, an essential protein for skin firmness, bone and joint health, and good circulation. Without it, we face sagging skin, joint pain, risk of osteoporosis, and even varicose veins or thrombosis. That's why including foods that stimulate collagen production is so important. If you're over 50, comment "I already do" to receive more personalized content like this. Let's start with the first ingredient, yam. This nutritious tuber is rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen production, which gives structure and elasticity to the skin, bones, and muscles. Yam also contains calcium and magnesium, which strengthen bones and help prevent osteoporosis, a common concern with aging. Additionally, it contains diosgenin, which helps with hormonal balance, especially for women in menopause, relieving symptoms like hot flashes. Its anti-inflammatory properties also improve circulation, reducing the risk of varicose veins and thrombosis. We'll use 1/2 cup of cooked yam. The second ingredient is unflavored gelatin. With 18 essential amino acids and a high amount of collagen, it strengthens joints, bones, and firms the skin. We'll use 1 tablespoon. By the way, how did you find this video? Through a notification or a search? Comment below. And where are you from? Tell us. To add some flavor, let's use an apple. With or without peel. If with peel, wash it well. Apples are a great source of vitamin C, providing about 14% of the recommended daily intake in a medium-sized fruit. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health, strengthens the immune system, and stimulates collagen production, essential for healthy bones and joints. Now, the preparation. In a blender, add 1/2 cup of cooked yam, 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 1 apple, and 200 milliliters of water. Blend everything until smooth. Done, you now have a collagen-rich juice to drink in the morning with breakfast or as an afternoon snack. If this video helped you, check the material I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that will transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you think. This juice is your homemade source of collagen for strong bones, healthy joints, and varicose vein prevention. Did you try the recipe? Comment what you think. If you're going to make it this week, write "I will" in the comments. Share this video with friends over 50 to spread health. And if you made it this far, comment "Hi, I watched everything." Remember, these tips are for informational purposes, but nothing replaces the guidance of a doctor or nutritionist. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel for more recipes and health tips. See you in the next video.